FNBO probably wants you to put a down payment down because your credit score is low. If your credit score is low, if you have negative accounts, then they want to actually extend credit to you, but they want you to put a down payment down as security. It's just security deposit. They want you to probably get a secure credit card. Now, let me show you guys that FNBO card just in case, because I don't know if I did a new video on it, but FNBO, they have multiple credit cards that you guys can possibly get. So if they're asking you to put a deposit down, it's most likely that they want you to get a secured account, and that means that your credit score is just probably not where they want it to be right now. But here is the FNBO credit card tier. So you guys can pre-qualify for this credit card. So you go ahead and click pre-qualify now. They have their evergreen credit card, and then also let's go down to the bottom. This is their secure Visa card. You have to put down between $300 to $5,000. It's going to be subject to credit approval, but if they ask you to put a deposit down, that's because they want you to get the secure deposit. That's it. They want you to put a deposit down because they want you to get their secure Visa credit card, and they're not willing to give you the other credit cards. And it's just because your credit score is probably low. Like I said too, if you guys are having this problem, please make sure you guys join 60 points in 60 days. Increase your credit score. Sometimes just getting a quick boost to your credit score. I show you quick things that you can do to your credit score to get that quick boost. Once you get that quick boost to your credit score, then you can go ahead and try to see if you can pre-qualify again and try to see if they can give you that credit card offer again this time, but without a hard inquiry, because I know you guys don't want to get that hard inquiry, and then you want to know if they can give you a credit card without having to put that deposit down. But definitely sign up for the 60 points in 60 days, and then hopefully you're able to go ahead and get approved without putting